today to show you our new UV unit that we've recently installed at the Castlemaine Water Reclamation Plant. The $600,000 unit has been installed to extend the life of this specialised piece of equipment. The unit works by treating the wastewater with ultraviolet light as a form of disinfection. The new unit has extended the life of this part. It treats wastewater at a maximum flow rate of 260 litres per second, and it is a common method for treating wastewater across many of our wastewater treatment plants and across many water corporations. This important project is all part of our bigger picture in improving our wastewater reclamation plants right across our region.